Hey, Inside Crypto fans, welcome back to the latest episode of the Inside Crypto Show. Today is the first episode of what I hope to be many episodes in the future. We're going to talk about staking. We're going to explain what staking is, why it is important, why you should be interested in it, and we're going to explain how you go about doing that. Again, none of this is financial advice. Please do your own research. Please discover how this works for you. I'm going to explain to you my experience with staking and why you should want to do it. But let's dive straight into the video. So what is staking, right? Staking is basically you take your crypto, whatever it is, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, and you put it somewhere and then you earn interest on top of that. Now, if you're living in most of the developed world, your interest rates in your typical bank account are anywhere from 0.25% to maybe 0.75%, maybe a little bit higher if you're doing a fixed deposit or some other sort of old traditional financial instrument. But when it comes to staking, as you'll see, you can earn much better interest rates on a fairly stable asset, depending on what you're staking, right? So there are lots of different levels to this study. We're just going to cover the very basic level. So this is the perfect video for somebody like yourself, or somebody who's new to crypto, or somebody who has a bunch of Ethereum or Matic or whatever crypto coin you have, and there is an option to stake on that particular blockchain. This is the perfect video for you. I'm not going to go through all the blockchains. There are something like 17,000 crypto blockchains at the moment. And if I had to do a video about how to stake on all those blockchains, that would take forever. So let's talk about the very first level of staking first. So as you can see here, when it comes to staking, one of the very easiest ways is to do it via your centralized crypto exchange. There are lots of issues with this. If you want me to explain that, I can explain it to you. So one of the very first and easiest ways to go about staking is to do staking through your centralized exchange. So on the screen, Binance was the very first place I started off my crypto journey on. Like most people, you start off the centralized location, and I staked with Binance and I had no issues. Before Ethereum shifted to proof of stake, that's where all my Ethereum was. And at the moment, if you do have some Ethereum on Binance, you can stake your Ethereum on Binance. You get a reference APR of 2.82%, and you get back wrapped Binance Ethereum, which is something you can use in other places. So very easy, very simple, not too complicated. It's definitely a good way to go. As well on Binance, right, you can stake other cryptocurrencies. You can stake Shiba. At one point, you can stake a bunch of stuff that is fairly complicated to stake outside of their own ecosystems, right? Solana as well. Very easy to stake on Binance, and you can get some good APR as well. But do remember, right, Binance is a centralized location, so there are risks that are associated with that. Let's move on to the second option. The second option is PancakeSwap. This is my first venture into decentralized staking because PancakeSwap is not controlled by a single person or a single entity. It's controlled by multiple people. And PancakeSwap is, again, connected to Binance. So there is that connection there because this PancakeSwap is built on Binance Smart Chain. But it's very easy. If you are somebody who owns Cake, and Cake is the way we can talk about staking today, and you want to stake your Cake outside of Binance where you have control, where it's in your MetaMask wallet, we need to connect your MetaMask first. So you're going to make sure your MetaMask is connected. You're going to make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain. You're going to make sure you have some BNB, because BNB is what you use for transaction fees. You're going to click on Earn. And then click on Cake Staking. And then you're going to stake your Cake. You can see I've staked 13 Cake, not a lot of money, like $38 US. It unlocks in 4 months. And so while I've been staking Cake, I've earned 1.08 VE Cake, right? So VE Cake is just, think of it like a receipt for the Cake that I have staked. And with my VE Cake, I can do things with it. I can check my rewards. I can check gauges. I can do other things with VE Cake. So like with most staking protocols, that is a good example where you can stake your Ethereum that way and you get STETH, and STETH you can go to Curve, which is the third level of the most complicated level of staking, which I do. I'm not on Ethereum, but I do that on other chains. Basically, staking is a way for you to earn more money. Again, do your own research, not financial advice. It is better than traditionally putting your stuff in the bank or putting some shares in the stock market, right? It tends to be more stable. If you need more information, please let me know. If you need a specific staking video, I think I might do Ethereum next or Lido next, just to explain how that works. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and talk to you later.